Hello and welcome. It's back to one of my favourites, and it also appears to be one of yours too, because I always have more viewers watch these particular videos on dipping on scrunched up tin foil or just tin foil in general. Obviously people resonate to this particular technique because it is quite easy and it's really fun to do with children, family, friends, girlfriends, whatever takes your fancy. It's an easy way to create a piece of acrylic art on a canvas that anybody can do. You do not have to be an artist. So this particular one was just on these little 20 by 25 by 25 canvases. So and I will admit, as I go on now, telling you now, the colours that I first put down didn't quite work and I had to change it up, but you will see. So not everything, definitely not everything goes right in my art studio, that's for sure. So it should give you some encouragement, the ones that don't get good results straight away, because I certainly don't get good results every single time, but I do try to push on and create something out of a bad situation, as in life, I guess. So this is just nice and easily going over my little canvas, and that was kind of just with a deep blue, a navy blue. So it is something that is nice and therapeutic to do, even the preparation of the canvas. But with these particular dips, and I think I dipped and slide on this one, we'll see. You don't necessarily have to coat your canvas before you dip. You can do it either way. You can dip straight into the paint you're going to load up on here. So let's get some nice bright colours on here and let's go for it. Okay, having a bit of a struggle there. Ooh, no. Gilly, what did you do? Do not like that one bit, and I'm sure you won't either. But never fear, Gilly's here. I'm desperate now. Got to make something good out of something terrible. So don't stress, just go to plan B. And, oh, there you go. I thought that I actually dipped back onto the acrylic, the foil, but I didn't. I just loaded my colours up on this little canvas, and then I've used another canvas that I will dip onto. So I get two for the price of one. So it's a canvas sandwich now. So this one, I can tell you, I really absolutely love. So let's go for it. Trying it again, just make sure you can give it a really good firm squidge out, that's for sure. And like I just did then, turn the canvas over to make sure you transfer the paint onto the other blank canvas and then back again. And let's really hope that I'll get some much better results on this particular one. So I did the slide, so it's a dip and slide, and I've kind of really loving the effects that slide is giving, kind of like definitely like waves or feathering effect. It's just lovely. I love these ones. They dried absolutely beautiful, and I just actually give a varnish coat over them. So much prefer those colours. They were absolutely lovely, and I hope you like it too. So there you go, very easy, very happy with the results, and you'll see the dried pieces in just a minute. I will also add a bonus video at the end of this, so it'll be a quicker bonus video, so stay along for the ride and enjoy. Bye for now.
I just wanna go out on a walk with you. Baby, you know I just like to talk with you. You don't have to tell me anything that's new. I just wanna go out on a walk with you. I just wanna see your shadow next to mine, sailing over pavement with our two outlines. I like to see the shape you're in from time to time. I just wanna see your shadow next to mine. I just wanna see the same things you can see, understand the meaning on a new degree. Maybe that could happen when you're next to me. I just wanna see the same things you can see. Wanna go out on a walk with you. Could be 20 minutes or an hour or two. Baby, you know I just like to talk with you. I just wanna go out on a walk with you.
This was the wax paper slide. It come out, is the word ethereal, like somebody said, oh, that's AI, but you can actually watch me do it. I didn't resin this one, I've just varnished it. Look, it's give it just a nice protective coating and a nice sheen to it. But yeah, just some of the parts in it, they definitely do look like it was created with AI technology, but it's actually, well, you'll see the video, so the video is up now, but super happy just taking that easy dip technique just that little bit further. This piece, couldn't be happier. Ooh.